You are in the second lesson of neural network. We are going to do something on our dataset. We learn everything and we create it by ourselves. And then we are going to do something real. Okay, this is the importing data. The EMI function is not needed. Let's do test and train. Split. Okay, let me just put to this line here. What it's doing, we know the data frame, target, test size, random state, shuffle, false. What it's do, it's don't do random and shuffle. Let's go with it. This line, what do we don't talk about and we don't use them for now. Okay, let's put this line down here. Making data ready for train. Data frame array xtrain to numpy. Okay, let's run it. Xtrain is not defined because we didn't run this line. Okay, now it's worked perfectly. Now we have to scale our data, but we don't need them for now. Okay, let's do it. That's funny anyway. I will give you a speech about scaling. Don't be frightened. And what it do? Let's scale the y as well too. And then making our neural network structure. Okay, let's make it run. Network evaluate max iter, verbose, hidden layer size, tolerance, learning rate, network fit. Okay, run it. The loss is reducing perfectly. As you can see, the model is running. The neural network models need more time for running. For now, just think as it like this. We don't know anything about how to use neural network. Think of it like this. That's okay for now. We are just copying some line of codes to see what happened. Okay, the running is taking time. I think it's going to take a while. How many rotation I take? Oh, there are too many rotation. Let me stop this line and make it 1,000. I will teach you what they are, don't worry. Okay, it's ended. Now, let's see if we can test our data. Okay, K error tomorrow price. It don't have tomorrow price, it have what we gave it. We gave it final. Done. Print A. Let's see what we do. B is array. Let's see. The X train, Y train. Let's see Y test, I think. Okay. Let's see what Y test is. Y test. These numbers are not really good. They are not even near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This predict our number. We run a neural network carelessly and by just copying some line of code from another one. But in the next lesson, we are going to learn it and learn how to work it and write it in the perfect way. Have a good day.